Are you tired of manually emailing invoice PDFs to every customer? Learn how to enable automatic delivery in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to find the setting in Gumroad. Just follow these 8 simple steps. First, head over to Gumroad's website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Dashboard. Now, click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner. From that menu, select Settings. Then, within Settings, click on Billing. Here, you'll see an option to enable Invoice PDF delivery. Turn that on. Click Update Settings to save your changes. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.